What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can record your computer screen and use it as a content creation for your videos. So let's deep dive in. Now this is one of the websites that I've been recommending all the time is OBS Studio. Now one of the cool things about this is actually one of the premier sponsors for Twitch, and a lot of YouTube creators that I know, entrepreneurs do it all the time, is that they have a video right over here and explain how they do their course or explain about the content creation. So it's more interactive. Since I own Windows, I'm going to just simply do that. And we're just going to wait. Click OBS Studio. And it looks like I don't have some rundown components. So I'm just going to get that as well due to the recommendation. So I get this agree with license terms and agreements. And we wait. So we're going to try it again since we actually started downloading it. Or better yet, we can just do this. So now this is the official OBS. So this is the default screen of the OBS Studios that you can start recording your computer screen. What you want to do, capture the display of your camera or what your current screen is. So now you can actually see, not only you can actually capture yourself, and you can also capture the display of your own computer screen, which it seems very, very confusing if you look at it like this. Now, what I want to do right now is I want to go to File, then go to Settings right now. So it says recording format is automatically to FLV. One of the softwares that I use to actually record is MP4, so I'm just going to change it to that. And when it goes to finishing downloading, I want to be in a specific my YouTube file. So I'm just going to put it right over here, select folder, and that's exactly where it's going to download all the images or all the recordings that I did with my computer that I captured in the file that's going to be established to. So we're just going to apply there because everything else looks fine to me, and we're going to simply click OK. So right over here you can even see that even detects the mic auxiliary, which is, you can actually lower the volume as well, so it doesn't detect that much noise to you. Or if you just want to create just a mute version of a recording, you can absolutely do that as well. You can also do desktop audio, even the capture device, which is very, very useful. And this is basically where you can say your start recording, stop recording. And basically if you want, you can just press that format and basically it exits you to that format.